Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation looks kind of the same in all other browsers which are commonly used. So let's open the browser, as I said, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you've got a really long list of the previously visited websites, I highly recommend to remove them automatically. And in order to do that, we have to tap on Clear Browsing Data here at the top. And as you can see, here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, basically we've got the browsing history, cookies inside data and cached images and files. And here we've got the advanced section, so the saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. If you're ready, tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed basically everything. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.